Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Spethu Mahlobo. Mahlobo, we just beat Milford 2-0. Thoughts on the game?
Sure, Puti kunjani?
Sharp.
Man, Mina, the game itself, it was a very low standard game for me. This is not the Pirates that we should be watching as the Orlando Pirates faithful supporters. This is not the Pirates we should be watching. The energies were low. From our trusted players, our police, they didn't show up besides the goal. Moremi, besides the goal, we didn't see anything from them. The only thing Ngashukuti gave us life was those changes the second half. Abo Masilela, Abo Khositsile, Abo Rapo. That's when we start seeing energy ngathi yakhuphuka kancane. But the entire game, those players that we know, we started with them last season, we continue with them. They didn't give us much. First half, less chances created. Abo Hoto, when it crosses the ball, crosses the move instead of Pambili. So it's a indecision, man. Decision making, it was very poor today. Yeah. I'm not helping a game here too, but all I can say, we take the win.
Yeah. Obviously, it's first game of the season, I understand, and obviously it's a new promoted team. They're probably playing against their idols, you know. They wanna make sure, they don't give us space. But overall, in fact, you should be happy with 3 points. Then Pagania, last question, in fact, is bonility from 60 rand in fact to 200 rand. In fact, so Konagajan.
I talk if you turn the Pirates, you will take a little ticket. You will always be here. You will always be here. From 40 rand, you bought it, mighty 60 rand, mighty 80 rand. Every season there's a cycle.
So,
in fact, economy Ramaphosa mfethu. Mina ngikhala ngalo ile seasonal. Ukuthi from 6 clipper to 1.3 yiyo engathi ngawara ngayo ngithola. But overall mfethu we are Pirates supporters. We need to be here, first game, first win. Chances need to be taken. We need to up our game so that we show ukuthi singama defending champion. Igame yethu ngabi low. Next week is MTN 8, we need to defend it. We need to up the energy and show okay, sharp, we are defending champions. Because if you're going to start low, it's over a problem. As much as you're saying, Milford, team idols, they don't have this card so team they want to prove we can beat Pirates. I'm sure next week, Pirates is just a team. So we need to prove Pirates is not just a team, but an institution. A big institution. So we need to show them next week the team is just a team. Is over in the Lama same.
Thanks, Pagania.
Thank you.